making these gingerbread cupcakes. They're absolutely delicious and they smell so good. The recipe and everything you need will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started on this recipe. We're going to start with our room temperature butter and soften that up. Add in your brown sugar and combine this well. Add in 1 egg and mix well. Add in your milk, your molasses, and your vanilla extract to this and combine well. Keep mixing for about a minute and then we're going to place this aside and combine our dry ingredients. So your baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and your spices, your cinnamon, ginger, clove, nutmeg, and allspice. Whisk that together and place that aside. Bring back your wet ingredients and then we're going to add in that flour mixture and combine this well. Mix it at a low speed, and when it comes together, mix it at a high speed for about 2 minutes. And don't forget to scrape that bowl with your spatula. Place that aside and we're going to get our cupcake tray. Put your liners in there. I'm using these plaid ones. You can also set your oven at 350 degrees. So I'm using my ice cream scoop. The measurement will be in the description box. Scoop those out and bake them for about 18 minutes. And you can always check with a toothpick. If it comes out dry, you know they're ready. I put in my cream cheese frosting in a piping bag with a 6-bead tip, and then I also have these gingerbread man sprinkles. I frosted my cupcakes and then put these sprinkles on. I use tweezers, but you can just sprinkle them on. And here's those gingerbread cupcakes. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see pictures of these cupcakes and everything I've been making for the 12 days of baked goods, I do post on Twitter, Tumblr, Instagram, and Facebook. All those links are down below. If you want to suggest something, leave it in the comments down below. If you want to keep up to date with my recipes and everything I make, hit the subscribe button down below. And if you did enjoy this recipe and you don't like the holidays, give it a thumbs down. Until next time, stay sweet.